Oh my gosh, before CompanyCam, it was a mess. We had paper spread everywhere, diagrams, sketches, hundreds of pictures and people's phones. And when you needed a picture, that guy wasn't around, so you couldn't access it. Now with CompanyCam that has the ability to store everything so everyone can access it at any given time, makes a huge difference.
Before CompanyCam, it was a cluster. It was impossible to keep track of all the projects, everything that I had to do, managing my team, being able to deal with managers and the production team.
The aha moment for me was the ease and flexibility of the collaboration between people on the team to help get the job done. They don't have to worry about remembering to hold the photos in their camera roll, and then when they get time, go into the file and upload them.
Fast speed. Just being able to search their name, their address, it's right there at the tip of my fingers.
Everything's in one spot. You don't have to go around and look for pictures in different, emails or other, let's say, software that we may use. So it's a one-stop shop.